So welcome to the channel, and what is probably the last segment in the Ford Plant series, and I'll get right to the chase about it. So in behind me here is the body of the 63 Mercury Monterey, and it's on a rotisserie, so it's actually on its side. When we were taking it apart, there's actually only one piece left in this car now, and it happens to be the emergency brake pedal. And I'm going to show you why, because very strangely, when this was assembled, I'm guessing at the plant, they did something rather interesting. So down here in the corner is the emergency brake pedal, and you see it's still actually got the front cable attached to it. And this is why. We had to look at this a few times, but if you look there, you can see that the clevis pin there already has the cotter pin removed. And in most normal circumstances, the head of the clevis pin would be right here, and you would just slide it out after you take the cotter pin out of the opening, which you can see is right there. I'm not positive, but it almost seems like this pin was installed before the actual bracket was riveted together or assembled. In a normal circumstance, this is not the way that this is done, because of course, if the car required the front e-brake cable to be replaced, that would be serviceable. Of course, the pedal would still be probably in its place where the driver's foot is. But in this case, yeah, we have to cut the head off this clevis pin in order to actually remove it. And that is exactly what we're going to do, because we don't have much of a choice. So it's been interesting to see all the things that this 63 Monterey has brought up. Quite a number of discussions, and maybe we'll do a summary before the end, just to summarize all the extra pieces. But we're always curious to know if somebody else has come across this kind of problem before. It's pretty comical. It's pretty comical that that is a non-serviceable item, at least not easily anyways. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.